Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with Binance without ever purchasing any kind of crypto. And all you have to do is whoop. Just a reminder to check out the first link in my bio because I show you the fastest and easiest way to make money online. There are literally thousands taking advantage of this system, and many are earning their first commissions faster than I have ever seen before. Make sure to check it out. So of course, in this training, we'll be talking about Binance and how you can make money without ever purchasing crypto. Now, I know that's a really big claim, and I'm not any kind of expert or financial advisor, but I just wanted to kind of open your mind because my channel is all about marketing and how you can leverage different ways to make money online. And this is one that I see many people in the crypto space are just not actually doing. So I really want to show you these exact examples. So in crypto, obviously the most known way to make money is to buy crypto, right? And you know that crypto has its ups and downs and things like that. And sometimes you can buy low, which is where you make the most money, and then the price goes up. But sometimes, people buy right here, and then it goes down, so they could lose a lot of their money. And so that's one thing that I think that a lot of people are kind of sleeping on is, I'll give you an example. Out in the gold rush, a lot of people were mining, right? Kind of like this. They're doing the work. They're trying to, get all the different valuations for gold. But then there was also another whole hustle or way to make money, which was people selling them shovels, right? And actually, the people who were gold mining actually made less money than the people who were selling them shovels. So this is going to be very similar in a way. So basically, with Binance, before I go into it anymore, I just wanted to go over what is Binance and why it's so important in the crypto market. So what is Binance Exchange? Binance Exchange is a leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017. It features a strong focus on altcoins. Binance offers crypto-to-crypto trading in more than 500 cryptocurrencies. Okay, Binance is an online exchange where users can trade cryptocurrencies. It supports most commonly traded cryptocurrencies, provides a crypto wallet, and exchange also has support services. Binance has its own blockchain base. So it's a ginormous and foundational part of cryptocurrency, and a big, vast majority of people that do crypto do it through Binance. Okay. So what I really want to show you is kind of like how you can actually sell the shovel to a lot of these people who are into crypto. Okay. So these people want to learn crypto, right? Boop. They want to learn and make money from that. So what you can do is actually provide the shovel. So you can make content over here. Oops, sorry, my handwriting sucks. And then you can actually provide them with the means to start doing crypto with Binance. Okay, Logan, that's great, but like, how do I do that? So Binance has something called an affiliate program. Now, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, that is basically what my entire channel is about. And then the first link down below, you can actually have a 5-day challenge with me and learn the ins and outs of it. And this can really be a huge income stream for you, especially if you're in the crypto market. But basically, it says, what is Binance affiliate program? The Binance affiliate program lets you share you get a unique referral link. And if you share it to people, you get up to 50% commissions on every qualified trade. Users who sign up for a Binance account using your unique link will automatically be attributed to you for your successful referral. You'll receive commissions on every trade you refer across Binance margin trading and even Binance Pool. So listen to this, like, how do I start earning? Become a Binance affiliate, create and share your referral link, sit back, relax, and earn commissions. So many people are doing this where they're just teaching about crypto. They're showing the news about crypto, what's up to date. And in all of their content, they have a link to Binance. What do you think that does? It's generating people to click on their links, and they are getting paid for free. Okay? That's insane. This is a new way that you can make money with crypto without ever purchasing crypto. So if you start building your assets online, digital real estate, people click on your content, you can refer them to say, hey, go ahead and go on Binance and learn for yourself. And so this is how you do it. When you click over here, you just put in Google Binance affiliate program. You can visit their affiliate page. And this is what you have to do. You just become an affiliate. So you sign up, create and share your affiliate links, earn up to 50% commissions on autopilot. Okay, this is insane. You can look at a little bit more up for yourself. Okay, promote Binance, get paid. Simple, right? Yes, it's very simple. Now you might say, Logan, how do you do this though? How do I get people to click on my link? There's tons and tons of ways. There's lots of platforms, especially right now with TikTok going crazy. You can do just crypto-based content on on TikTok, and people can click on your link in the bio, and then they can click on Binance, right? Say get started with Binance right here for free. When they click on it and do any kind of trading, you get paid commission. Okay, TikTok is one. Instagram right now is one as well. Very similar to TikTok, you can do Instagram Reels. Make short content saying, hey, crypto this, crypto that. If there's a certain crypto that you like, you can definitely monitor it and show people the updates to all of it. And then obviously your links will always be there. Obviously you can do blogs, podcasts, okay? You can do Pinterest. If you guys don't know anything about Pinterest, Pinterest is a huge way to start getting traffic online. And a big one right now is actually YouTube. One of my very good friends, I'm going to give him a shout out here. You might know him in the crypto space, Jim Crypto, sorry. He does a lot of reviews and a lot of updates on all these different cryptos. And I almost want to guess, and if he's not doing this, he probably should, but down here, he has different links, right? And all these different links can get him a lot. See right here, you can get Bitcoin right there. And then if all you would have to do is put your Binance link. And so I'm going to do another video about this with Bitcoin, but all you have to do is make videos. So he's making 354 views there, 5,000 views here, and there. If you look at his channel, he's actually had 1.7 million views. Every single time someone watches that video, there's a chance that they'll use his links. And guess what? You're helping them solve a problem. You're giving them the shovel so they can solve their problem and making money with crypto. And all you're doing is literally presenting it in front of them. You're giving them valuable information, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, podcasts, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever it is. Your links will be there and you will be getting paid time and time again on autopilot. That is the beauty and another income source in this huge crypto space. And so hopefully this is starting to make sense. You can become an affiliate for Binance. And I know that a lot of people are doing it. I've seen it. I've funnel hacked their account, which basically just means I've looked at see what they're promoting, how they're doing it. And it's very simple, guys. Just bring value, bring value, bring value. Now, one thing with Jim, and he is super smart, is he actually, he's not a financial advisor. He doesn't tell you to do this and that. But a lot of his content, especially way in the beginning with SafeMoon, all he was doing is going to the Twitter page. All he was doing is going to their Twitter page and giving them announcements, giving them updates on the coin, saying, hey, this is what they said, this is what they didn't say. All you're basically being is a newscaster. You're updating information. You're showing people the news. And guess what's always going to be there? Your links to Binance. So hopefully you got some good information from this. Comment down below if this is something that you knew about, something that you didn't know about. Are you going to try this out? I see a lot of people do it and a lot of people are succeeding. Right now, crypto is giant right now. The trending. It's always going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So if you can hop on this now, you're going to be starting to pave a way for yourself financially way above the rest. So make sure to follow, and I'll see you in the next one.